I... Seems like we're set up. Seems like we're live. Yeah, wallpaper changed. I forgot how to be live again. I mean, it was just 2 days, actually. So yeah, just as a reminder, we have a goal. I bet there's not many people watching right now. You still have 6 days. You still have 6 days left. I don't know. Who claimed first? You? I mean, I know that. Obviously. Hello, Nigel. So if we divide this by 6, yeah, you need 3 people to work on it, and I bet you won't be able to do it with 3 people either, because my streams are getting short nowadays, which is bad. 40k total, yay! You contributed 50%. 50% out of those 66 are yours. Celebrate. It's like 16 more percent somebody else contributed. You like alone did this. Okay, I guess now I can end the stream. Okay, no. Just kidding. I wish I could add some more activities that could give you points, but I don't know. Has he been live lately? I heard he was making a language. I mean, I know he was making cast, and I think I saw he was play. I feel like this URL is familiar. Wait, last language. Yeah, that's for sure the last language. Wow, this UI. I guess this transpiles to JavaScript. I guess that's what is going on. Using WASM or something. Trunk, WASM, sure. Yeah, trunk feels familiar. It's just interpreter. I guess then it's just interpreter. If it's not just interpreter, it's JavaScript. So, I mean, that's cool. I need to do the same for Orco, but like all languages it's gonna support. Anyway, today we're not doing Orco. Today we're researching how GCC are doing their compilers. Writing a frontend for GCC. This is just interpreter, yeah. Okay, so today we're gonna be writing a GCC frontend. I don't even know where to find a tutorial. Last time we've looked at one. It's a pretty good one, actually. GCC frontend. Here, I think. Oh wait, no. This one, I think that's what we read. Yeah, that's pretty good. So here, that's where we're going to start. It's just some explanation. We can skip the first part entirely, by the way. Oh wait, forgot I need to do a question of the day update, but I guess it's staying the same as like 6 months ago. I actually need to update it this time. Yeah, Nvidia plushie of the day. Yes. Yeah. It is still this. I need to change it. I need to change it, really. I'm forgetting. I need a good question of the day. Okay, so let's clone GCC. Yes. Let's go to... I don't even know where to go. I have my dev partition here. Where to put it? I don't know. Tools? Some tools. Let's do experiments. Let's clone GCC. How much is it gonna take? I have no idea. I don't need to clone it recursively, fortunately. I'll do just depth 1. It's gonna help. Okay, it is gonna help. Feels like it's actually gonna clone today. Okay, actually maybe no. Maybe it's gonna clone tomorrow. Okay, so I'm leaving the laptop overnight. You can watch the stream. Bye. No. I mean, it's gonna take a while. Why didn't I run it in Tmax? Should have ran it in Tmax. Let's run it in Tmax. Do I have GCC itself? Yeah, I have GCC. Git clone. Oops. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna be cloning it here. Then download prerequisites. It's gonna take a while, and then we're gonna create a branch, just like in the tutorial. And we're gonna be trying to write a frontend for GCC. I just wanna know how they've done it, especially in C, their C interface. Maybe we're gonna try to write it in, I don't know, Rust. I mean, GCC has a Rust frontend, so we can write it in Rust technically, but it's not like officially integrated yet. We can do it in Go, in Fortran, in C and C++. How do I manage to stream, run a browser, run KDE and compile software all with 4 gigabytes? It's actually 5.74, come on. Well, actually it's 4 gigabytes of stick and 2 gigabytes or gigabytes. They're mixed up, soldered. How am I managing to run a stream and run KDE? No idea. You can see how bad my streams are. How they lag a lot. And note, I'm streaming to Twitch and to YouTube at the same time. Just like, I don't know if it's like anything additional. I mean, I'm not using Restream or something, so I guess I'm sending twice as much data through network. But I mean, it's holding off. I mean, also I have an NVIDIA GPU, but I don't think it's working right now. If I just run fast fetch. But I mean, that's not helping. I have swap. I have 16. Wait, this was 20. Okay, sure, 16 gigabytes of RAM of swap. I mean, it's fine. So I'm running out of disk space. I have no idea how to update my system now. Because if I update it, I just don't have much disk space, and I don't have enough. Okay, so let's run this thing. Download prerequisites. Sure. I don't know what this means. I don't know what's gonna do. A bad website. What is this? What website is considered so bad that Swap was supposed to help you? Oh, prerequisites got so fast. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Just when I was installing Linux, I created a Linux swap partition, and I don't even remember. I don't think I even chose anything. It just automatically used it. Come on, what websites? I'm reading this. It's not a GNU docs, but it doesn't. I'm pretty sure it doesn't take 1 gig. Also, I have this, which is by Simon Bruno, a project. I was taking some source code out of that, and it runs surprisingly well. Like the load time is especially surprising. Like loads immediately. Geeks for Geeks is heavy? What? or enumeration specifically. I mean, it loads just fine. I don't know how heavy it is. I don't have any way to measure. I mean, gigs for gigs lately just is not really loading for me. Like this, for example. But I mean, here it is. I don't think it consumes 1 gig of RAM right now. But we're not gonna be loading it anyway. Look how many websites I have loaded right now at the same time. Anyway, let's actually get to it. You check out dash b. So let's create a branch. We'll call it toy, not tiny. For a programming language, I don't know. This accent is very similar to mine. I mean, that makes sense. Well, actually, no. That doesn't make sense. I don't know. Can I don't think this was the name. Let me take a look. Hey, this was a name. I'm actually wondering how. I mean, I think he's German. Just clip.
Linux configuration, 10,000 freaking options.
Okay, this actually does feel like a similar accent to mine. I have no idea why. Hyperland? He's German, I think. I don't know. Just random, just a coincidence. Anyway, so we're going to create. Why do we need GCC build? Okay, sure. Let's just follow it. Don't have any reason. Prefix GCC install. What? So I don't have any reasons to deviate right now. His Hyperland, so people looking to think he's modern. Really? I actually used Hyperland because it was the best tiling window manager I ever used, but I mean tiling window managers. I have NixOS, it's enough of a pain, and I did not expect that I haven't pressed enter. Oh wait. No, I have pressed enter. The problem is that I guess Pythonic shell. Can I do backticks? Is it something I can do? I don't think it really matters. Oh. Hey. Some shell. Can't I just run it? Switch to sway. Wait, what was that? Huh? Oh wait, that's my demonstration of why Windows is better. Why do I have this with my thing? Okay, actually, don't understand. Configure. Can I launch it? I can launch it. Prefix. I have no idea why prefix is so weird. And it's already off. Can I do this? I don't think that's a good idea. I actually don't know how to do this in Exxon Shell. Huh? Com prefix equals. Can I do this? No, I can't. Huh? Huh? What do I do? What do I do? Okay, so if I do prefix, I can do space. Can I do something like this? I'm pretty sure I can do F string. How do you format stuff in Python? Or actually Python information. That's not what I was expecting to search for today. Modular. str format. I guess dot format is a good way. F strings. Okay, F strings are just regular. Yeah, by the way, I tried Sway at some point, but I didn't really like it. It's supported F strings. Oh wait, I think F strings are actually not supported. Okay, let's do format. Syntax error. What? Oh wait, that makes sense. Wait, I need to do it in. Oh, I don't know. I still can't remember it. I can't. Is there a guide? Is this? No. Features. No. Docs. Tutorial here. Okay, so we have F strings. Yeah, not working. The environment itself. Environment lookup. Conch. Oh, what is conch shell? I mean, I guess it's a shell. Which makes sense. Oh, at. Oh my god, it's at that they do. Okay. Now we can return to GCC configure. So this prefix we're gonna do at. Yeah, that feels weird. Slash GCC install fmt for format pwd. Yeah, that's weird. That feels weird. Yes, that feels like CMake. Okay, so what happened? Stripping compatible cannot find all GCC. Okay. I suspect your system does not have a 32-bit development libraries. libc and headers. I don't know. It's disable multilab. Can disable multilab. Okay, I think it configured, and also I should use this for moment. Checking. No. Everything is no. Checking for LD. No, it doesn't exist. Okay, I guess it did something. I don't know why GCC install was anything. Anyway, why did I have gigs for gigs, huh? Open. Okay. Also, why do I have Twitch open? Okay, so we did this. Learning Nix. Oh, hi Devninia. Welcome to the stream. I don't even know. I mean, you can use Nix as a tool to manage dependencies. I actually have never had version problems before. I don't know about that much. Docker is also something you could use, which is much more popular and I guess much easier to set up, but I don't really like it. Okay, so okay, so why do I have gcc src? Okay, go back here now. Let's, so here if we list files, there are a lot of them. We probably have all the frontends here, like, I don't know. Oh, wait, I need to go to GCC first. Oh, there are a lot of files now. Actually, a lot of files. And occasionally, if I search for, I don't know, CPP, ADA should be here. Yeah, here's ADA directory, etc. Ubuntu server upgraded Rust. Come on, why? Yeah, but why would you have Rust managed by Ubuntu server? Why you don't use Rust app? I don't know. Anyway, we're gonna make a toy directory. Yeah, yes, it won't work. First, we need to copy something like this. Config link.in. It is Rust app. What? How do you update them? That Rust app messes everything up. Oh, Rust app update, install something latest nightly. Why does Rust 1.80 have breaking changes, by the way? And how is Rust 1.80 already? You mean config ling. It's in GCC tiny, okay. What? That's not true. The exact breaking change. Actually, that's not true. Rust loves Semver. Rust developers, the developers of Rust language love Semver. And a lot of Rust developers like semantic versioning. Not all of them though. Rust has a lot of people that work with the language. I don't know. I actually don't know why Rust 0.80 has a breaking change. That's... No. That shouldn't be a thing. I mean, maybe if you use features, if you use like nightly features, then it makes sense because they are not stable. But if it's an actual breaking change, then why? That's wrong. Okay, so we need to add config lang.in into the directory. Config dash lang in. I guess we're gonna be writing it in C++. Not to speak about C++. I mean, Orco compiles pretty fast, pretty quickly. Zig, I think Zig with its incremental compilation, at least what is so Zig with its incremental compilation, at least what is promised, should get really good compilation times. Just copy everything. Toy 1, but replace tiny by toy. So yeah, we're gonna require C++. Build by default, no, okay. Yeah, just copy that. Also lang specs. Be right back. So the name of a compiler. Why is that? Because GCC is just yeah. He just lang specs.h. Just believe you here. Okay, so we need lang.specs.in, lang.specs.h. I don't even know. I'm gonna put in .h. So we're gonna do .toy, toy 1. Okay, think that's it. Yeah, I did. 6 days. You've got less than a week. And you're not gonna get it if you work with 2 people. You need 3 people at least. And you need those 3 people to work hard. By work hard, I mean be on basically every stream. So I don't know if you can get it. What do you mean? Stop speaking to chat like it's a single entity. Okay, you want me to speak to you directly? Sure. You're not gonna get... I mean, if you are alone, you're not gonna get it. If you and Devnia, or I don't know, Devninja, work together on every stream, which is probably not gonna happen. And if I stream for more than 2 hours each day, then you're probably not gonna get it anyway. Because you need at least 3 accounts, first of all. Second of all, you need all those 3 to contribute like each day to K, which is not possible. At least because my streams are short. Shell could see tiny one. File required make dash lang.in. Okay, it's cool. Breaks coming. Okay, so we need make dash lang.in. Make lang in. By the way, I forgot that I need to loop this. Accept and refund someone's redeems. Yeah. Okay, so paste this in. Make this link.in. Ow. QEQPEP0, hello. Welcome. What is this? Why is everybody I mean, I can't say spamming. Also, Nigel, you're on cooldown. TypeScript. Okay, now actually I kinda need to add TypeScript plushie. Because I am actually using it. GCC toy. Okay, that's a lot of setup. Yay! Dart. I don't have Dart, because I mean... So I don't have Dart because... I mean, I knew about this language, but I didn't remember. Nobody really mentioned it. So I guess we should add Dart and TypeScript to the mix. Yay, thank you. No, I have never done Advent of Code, first of all. Second of all, we're not working on Orco today. We're researching GCC frontend to look how they do the interface. It has started. See, I was thinking about doing Advent of Code. You probably can't hear me because of ads. Or maybe you don't have ads. But yeah, I I was thinking about doing it. I kind of want to do it, but at the same time it takes so much time. No ads. Yeah, I also don't have I don't have any ads on Twitch. Okay, so Oi. Easy hard, easy hard. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna do it at some point in some weird language. Okay, so far setting up GCC seems like a lot of work, except that I'm copying all of this work from another person. GCC toy. I'm just renaming tiny to toy. But that's not what we want to see here. That's what we want to avoid in Oracle, obviously. But so yeah, that's what we want to avoid in Oracle. A lot of work to get a simple language. But then, so yeah, but that's not really what we want to look at in GCC. Because I wanted to look at the generic tree or whatever it was called. Tiny. Basically just gonna oh my god. Rename tiny to toy. Yeah, that's actually a lot. Toy. Okay, we can do a few here all at the same time. Okay, here, toy, uninstall. I mean, it kind of makes sense. That's a makefile fragment. We're gonna have it simpler. Okay, next toy. Well, actually, can I wait? I can just replace this by toy. Yeah, that's a lot of mentions. Edit done, yay! Tiny. Find two variables, take the string this tiny. Was painful to watch. Really? Sorry. Sharp. Yes, Sharp is here. She's also called Microsoft Java. Okay, don't care. Then we have toyspec.cc. Java, yes, this exists. Let me just. Is this? One day this is gonna happen. I mean, if you want, I can add one. If you have anything in mind. Yeah, let me just copy this. QI, what's QI? Okay, so there's a lot of tiny mentions. Seems like they're all lowercase. Flow-oriented language. Okay, I don't have that much languages. You can wait, how do you do this? You can do I think I have this command still. Languages. So yeah, you can run this a few times and get some languages. Let me just check that this thing compiles, which I don't think I don't know if it compiles. Let me see. Oh. Wait. Wait, I'm not in toy. There's nothing. Was the Yank plushie here? Did the Yank have logo? I don't know. I don't think I thought of that. So hold on. Config laying routine here. Let me just I just want to compile. And see that it works, and then I'm gonna do plushes and also probably QOTD, make laying, then toy asterisk here. Okay, so there's toy1 dot wait. Huh? What? Didn't I save? The F. Okay, it didn't toy. Oh. Oh, it didn't toy, okay. Okay, now go to GCC build and run this. Build, run this. Oh, we do need an old prefix. Disable bootstrap. And then we also need to enable toy. Disable bootstrap. Toy. Okay, is it gonna work? C++ something. Can't find it anymore. Okay, let me see, what did it say here? Fired by toy in stage 1, enabling. LTO. Victories, I don't care. Yin Yang. Yin Yang. Oh my god. I'm not reading that. Anyway. So I guess that builds, so let's see the plushes. Is it Dart? I mean, I guess that Dart as TypeScript makes sense. Save image. This should be lowercase. Save image. TypeScript has TS. English. Okay, so let's now go to Chattery. What is this? Hi Jax, haven't seen you in a while actually. API changes in 1.80. Type annotations needed for box. Ooh. Send an inference error and create time caused by an API change in Rust 1.80. What? Type inference change? I don't even know. Yeah, that's hard to track. That's indeed hard to track. Yeah. So hello Jax, yeah, haven't seen you in a while. So let's convert plushes here. Convert plushie downloads. So let's Take from Java. Wait, I need to go to Chatry here. Using Dart. 3 mobile apps for both Android and iOS. Yeah. I'm also pretty busy, but I guess not that much. I don't have a job, so I don't work, so I normally have much a bit of time. Assets, plushies, Dart, config, Jave. I have Jave as Java. Okay, any idea how we can call Dart differently? Yeah, Nix is here, obviously. Look, I'm on NixOS. You can't really tell from this, from only the wallpaper. But yeah. So, any idea how else could we oh my god, how else could we call Dart? Yeah, nothing is not a plush anymore. Void. There's no void. Flutter language. Okay, we could do that. Aliases. Flutter. I'm just gonna leave Flutter here. Wait, Dart file. Extension. That's probably something. Oh, .dart. Okay, that makes sense. Barb is synonymous. What? I don't know what this means. Okay, so I mean, you can still do Flutter language. That's why I did Flutter. Anyway, TypeScript. Okay, let's do Flutter language. Sure. That Googling. What? Okay, so TypeScript. Let's go. Yeah, makes more sense for Go. Which, by the way, we could use as a compiler. So yeah, for TypeScript, TS. Oh, I need 3-seater. JS++, JavaScript plus, I don't know. Dead Googling. What did Badcop say? No-ling? More like no-ling? Do I have Go actually? Yeah, I do have Go. That's kind of surprising to me. Gopher, Go, no-ling also. Just because Badcop had it. So yeah, 3-seater. I also need to edit this because I have TS here. Gopher. Yes, that's a thing. Okay, let's go to home. Let's relaunch Godot. So I can re-import plushes, and also I need to edit the QTD. Yeah, first time I need to import those plushie images. Importing assets. Okay. Now it's gonna load. Now I can close it. Now I'm gonna restart the overlay, but also I wanna. Okay, I tried. Camera seems fine. Oops. Do 4. Let's launch her overlay and see what happens. Hopefully it loads. Should work. Move this here now. Test all of them. No laying 1. Yep. Then we have TS for TypeScript. Yeah, TypeScript. Yeah, by the way, I should probably change it to Flutter Lang instead. Dart. Okay, me Helix. Attendant assets. She start config. I'm gonna change it to Flutter Lang because I feel like that's a bit more appropriate. Basic. Actually, that's a good one. That's a good one. We should probably add it. But we have enough plushes. By the way, Pascal, yeah, there's this. I don't even remember who suggested that. I think it was Ian himself. So yeah, by the way, just in case, QEQPEP0, sorry, pronouncing your name so badly, directed specifically to you, if you didn't know. You can do plushie, any plushie. It's best way. So yeah, if you do this, then you can click on heat. You can click on heat. Oh my god, fuse! You're kidding me. Bend. Bend. Oh wait, deleted. Bend. Давнения bend. You know. So yeah, if you can click on the heat extension, you need to allow something here in permissions. So yeah, if you do the plushie again, any plushie would do. You can click on the screen and it's gonna come on. Yeah, and it's gonna fly towards this, towards it. Also, there is move to and normalized coordinates. Works the same way. First one is X, second one is Y, and then there is also, if I do plushie again, then there's also add force. -5 is gonna be to the top left. Yeah, we have all of that because we have plushable. That's for a single person, and tournament is for 2 people, or I guess me and chat. That's what I was making this to play with chat, and by chat I actually mean multiple people. But I don't think it's gonna happen. You can have a basket here and just show how it's done. Here is an example. Ow! Ow! Don't touch my live brick. The live brick, the live button. So yeah, it was a bit of a distraction. So we've compiled, I think. GCC SRC. No, I'm gonna make. I'm not gonna be doing dash J whatever. Dash J8. Oh wait, I don't have make. Hold on. GNU make. So I'm not gonna run dash J because stream is not gonna handle that. So yeah, I'm just gonna run make, and then make instance. A third argument's not gonna work. I don't even know what's gonna happen. So yeah, I'm not gonna do J because stream's gonna crash and make install. I mean, stream is not gonna crash, but stream's not gonna like it. Can anyone get a plushie in the basket? Anyone? 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 Come on, you've got 30 seconds. You can do it with one command. 01 is this corner. High Force Unleashed. Plushie ball. It actually oh my god. I wonder if it's... Yeah, I remember. Force Unleashed High. So yeah, this redeem was for me originally. Let's try get as much as possible. Yeah, I have... I can do it more easily because no lag for me, and I can just control with my cursor. I mean, you can too with the extension, and it's pretty good. Not as good as me though. Not as good as for me. For me it's easier, but still. I mean, yes, but I made tournaments to compete. Me without any lags, and you with multiple people. Ooh, Cocoon. I forgot I added it. I think that's Cocoon. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff here. I have I think I have both Chrome and Chromium. I'm not sure though. And I hate when this happens. I think I can do like 19, maybe not 19, about 15 to 19. I think that's my record in 2 minutes specifically. Need to upload the new logo. What? Oh, you need to upload the new logo. Is it not on GitHub yet? Oh, automatic launching. That's QMK. It was a request from Ron. None of you know that. None of you know who it is. Nix. Yeah, you can see NixOS here in the background. Oh my god, I'm so bad at this. 16. That's not that bad, considering that I haven't played it in so much. Raspberry Pi 19. Okay, I'm not gonna get it. Well, actually, okay, this was close. Maybe I could get it if I did properly. Touch plushies, something happens. So you can either write commands like Devninja just did, for example, move to or add force with an underscore, or you can. So if I actually open this in personal, reach me. So if I actually open this here, yeah, you need to create. You need to do a plushie first. None of your plushies are on screen right now, so you can't control any. So yeah, if I actually open it here, hold on, let me set stuff up, manage access, revoke. So look, here's a stream. Here, I as chat rewrite plushie. That's my plushie, the fish one. Then I click on heat, I click manage access, I click, oh wait. Manage access, so here you click grant. And then you can click on the screen and it should theoretically follow the cursor. Yeah, add force is clamped. So you can't have a vector with that force that has a magnitude greater than 5. So move 2 can be more powerful, but normally add force is really powerful. Yeah. Now I showed it with Chatri, by the way. Do you have any points? I don't think I have any points. I'm still gonna contribute to this. Max 1.1k. That's all I have. Thanks for supporting. Their big goal. Okay, what's the CDN Discord app? Logo 1. Oh, I mean, makes sense. Can I copy all of this? Oh my god. Here. Wow. That's not what I not what I would expect. That's pretty cool. Is it transparent? I feel like it would be better with transparency. I'm not sure. Or at least circle. Because a logo as square, I don't know. Let's use rounded corners or and a border to make it actually an actual square. But I guess it's just a background. Anyway. React Native. Provide you a MacBook. So yeah, about that force again. First comes X, second comes Y. X positive is to the right, Y positive is downwards. Yeah, also I'm gonna leave this here so you can play and practice. Oh my god, this is still making, this is still building. I guess we don't have much to do. What? Wayland. That's Wayland. I still remember how this was pretty good. That was pretty close. Also, you have Move 2 right now, I think. So yeah, I remember how Alkaline was playing my game and there was a weather language, which abbreviated to WL. And she said, well, she was reading, you can write programs in weatherlang, Wayland for short. I laughed so hard. And it continued like to the end of the game. She was calling a language Wayland. Yeah, this was funny to me. This was unleashed, nice. So yeah, just as a reminder again, bitrate be like my bitrate. Okay, it's acronyms. What? Okay, so just as a reminder, since now there is bitrate be like downwards arrow, which for some reason didn't render. Yeah, that's something. I have 4 gigs of RAM, well 6 gigs of RAM, 5.74. Acronyms. Yeah, I know that. I know what acronyms are, and I think it's acronyms with 1C actually. But what OK is? Oh, is it? Okay, that's not true. That's not true. That's like Flutter. Top. Yeah, I got it. But this I would never think this abbreviation. You type. I would never think this abbreviation matches. So yeah, just as a reminder, we have a goal here. 70%. You have 6 days left. If there are 3 people doing it each day, then you maybe can get it. So if there took her 5 streams to figure it out. It took her 5 streams. Hi, composer. Wow. What's IC0? Who's that? Okay, this was not expected. So we're here building. Still building. I don't know how much it's gonna take. I guess I should. That's what I should have prepared. Come on, I can't deselect. Ah, how did I deselect? Oh, I am. No longer trapped by UT. No trapped by UT. Okay, acronyms may be complicated sometimes. Yeah, I may not understand some. I mean, I don't use acronyms much actually. But at the same time, sometimes I just wanna use them a bit. Still running make. Still making GCC. How long do you think GCC can take? Nitpicker. Been attempting to get food, but failed to escape the YouTube. Okay. So yeah, how long does it normally take to build GCC? With 6 gigs of RAM. I guess it's gonna take a while. How long does it take to compile GCC 7.3? Not more than 5 hours. I'm not streaming for 5 more hours. I mean, LFS SBU, yeah. What is SBU? I mean, standard billion. Oh, yeah, I forgot SBU. But I don't know how much SBU is on my machine. I forgot they use this thing. About. Okay. I mean, I don't have to go to bed early. I mean, I do have to go to bed early. I don't have to wake up early. But I don't think we're gonna compile it in the stream, to be honest. Stream for 10 hours. Come on. I mean, I could, to be honest, stay up to like 1 AM, but I can't. What is UEUA? See, I can't stream for long because I'm not alone here. Okay, what is it? Oh, is this the shader thingy? The shader language? Stack-based array programming language. I mean, the language for about an hour. Array language. Yeah, that's pretty good language. I knew they had a good logo because this logo was written in this language. So I could add this one. And I could add Ying, I guess, if the logo you linked, давнение. If the logo you linked is... Actually, I could keep that. So you want me to add this? Need to be stripping a background. Yes, taking a background out of this is gonna take a while. Good question. I mean, you can do it. Oh my god, what are those names? Yeah, Nigel, I would be thankful, that's the word, if you do it. Just link. You did Devninia's plushie, which was pretty good, and I think this is kind of similar because it also has a lot of stuff. Oh, I forgot about this redeem kinda. So yeah, what was this? Oh, we're building GCC, checking the size of int. We're checking the size of int. Checking for a 64-bit type. You need 64T. Talk. Artling Erling. Wait. Angeling. I don't know. Why do we have so many languages? Okay, it's too costly. Not build the entire collection. I don't actually know what I'm building, to be honest. We have disabled bootstrap, enable languages C, C++, and this is nothing, and enable multilib. So I don't think it built an entire collection. Also, I don't know if me terminating it was a good idea, but I think it's fine. Wait, Jax, how many points do you have? We all need your help here. Here. We all need your help here. If you want this costs a lot for a reason. Yeah, I know. This costs a lot for a reason because it is cool. First of all, it is cool. Second of all, it is kind of hard to implement. And Davninia, you're right. This is gonna happen eventually. This is gonna happen eventually. This is a thing. This is planned, you know. So, UEQP0. You still have your state compute willing to offer some of your compute. Do you think we can? Oh, it stopped. Oh no. Why? What is that? Sacrifice your everything. So yeah, first of all, I wanna get a static IP, but it costs quite a bit. It costs like twice as much as my domain. But then I could run a mine test server, for example. Anyway, second of all, this goal, if you read what it means, angry plushes plus weapons. 100, how much? For me it's like $20 a year. IPv4. So this goal, if you look closely at it, it is about plushes that can fight. That's just what I'm saying. How to add points? So you have here at the bottom left, I have infinite because I'm a streamer. My internet provider allows static IP for what is about $20 a year. What is about like a little less than $2 a month. Why does it cost so much? Maybe I'm thinking, but I think static IP is cheap here. Well, I don't know if... No, it is static IP for sure. I'm not sure if it's IPv4, but I think it is IPv4. So yeah, did I say everything I was going to say? How to add points? Yeah, you see this. You see this icon, which was meant to represent strings. So here you'll have a number. This is how many points you have. Then you click on that. You click on the goal, and then you click on the buttons here if you want any of the buttons here if you want to contribute some points to goal. That's how Twitch works. And then you also have redeems here. You can click on those. What? Let's contribute 4k total. Yeah, you can redeem stuff. Third is internet fame. 75%. What? That's a lot. Okay, I was not expecting you to get that far. We were at 60-something%. Raised 60k. We were at 60-something% today. And I mean, you have some people here. You just clicked max. You didn't max. You can redeem. You can contribute to goal at most 2k per stream. So yeah, I know some people here had just more than 2k points today. But yeah, I think if you actually come to the streams more often, you can get it. Sorry for this. For instance, bad entertaining. Probably no. I might stream tomorrow. No, I'm not gonna stream tomorrow twice. I am probably gonna stream tomorrow morning. Go offline for... Why 45 specifically? If I go offline for 45 minutes, I'm not gonna go online again. Oh, is this why? Okay, it's too late, sorry. 7 p.m. Have a class. So yeah. If I go offline for 45 minutes, I'm not gonna resets after 30 minutes. Yeah, I also didn't know that. For reasons, makes sense. Can I contribute? Can't. I'm a streamer. So yeah, if I go offline for 45 minutes, I'm not gonna go online again. Yeah, anyway, we had this error. And I have no idea if I can fix it. Default 1 commands. Deep there. Okay, entering libcpp. G++ something 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 something, and then error format not a string literal and no format arguments. W error format security. How do I get out of this? This is libcpp. How can I not be able to build GCC? Huh? PayPal status in my country not available. I mean, it is available if I want to pay, but it's not available if I want to store money or get them. That's why I'm not sure if I can actually get stuff out of Twitch. Okay, so how can I not be able to build libc++ using GCC's makefiles? I think it's I actually don't know what to do with this. Mails to build. I mean, yeah, that's right. I mean, I can try using what was it? A check. So I can try getting money out of Twitch using check, but I'm not sure if it's gonna work. It might not. I think that's what happened. Well, I think check is when they say, wait, oh my god, when they send you a paper. Stack Overflow is for preprocessor. Oh, C++ preprocessor lib/cpp. Yes, thank you. Oh my god, again? Come on, no. I need to go quick. Well, actually, okay, they are sending messages. Just restricted suspicious user. Ban. Delete. 1. Delete 2nd. Did they appear? Sure. I think they did not appear. The messages did not appear. Okay, that's good. Twitch tools by commander root. Follower remover. Here. Done. This like account. I don't know. They're changing one letter every day, I guess. Let's report them. And they are sending the same message again and again. I'm like I almost know this by heart. Block them. Okay, hope I did not remove someone random by accident. I think this was only chaos. A few streamers here. Yeah. Anyway. What is this? Is it just... Yeah, it was just it. Okay, back to 94 follows. So yeah. I think this... Yeah, that's exactly the error I have. All those songs are from Super Mario Galaxy soundtrack. I have no idea which ones are. I can only provide the time code. 1:14:58. Something here. It's like super recognizable because it plays on every stream. Hold on. Why is my sound? Thank you for the sub. For the gifted sub. Wow. Why did my alerts die? Okay. Hold on, let me see log. Is there log? Twitch events log. Alkaline. That's on you. That's on your side. Well, actually, I mean, I haven't updated this library in a little while, honestly. Enter the leaderboard. No one's a leaderboard. That's funny. So you have some errors here. Hold on. Subscription missing proper authorization. Oh, that's a problem. Boon index stuff. Just see. I can scroll up far enough. Okay, can't. What? Yay! I still need to get badges again. So, my God, did I want to do? Let me read chat again. Yeah, Twitch scams you. Just don't points. Do you get points for subbing? For gifting? I think you do. So yeah, Jax, you want my stats again? Yes. What? Yes, I'm scared. Ooh, likely Bane Evader. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, subs earn points faster. You get a higher multiplier. Like it literally says here. I have 2x multiplier because I have a tier 3 sub because I'm a broadcaster. Yes, you are. Yeah. I mean, that's how Twitch works. I have no control over that. I can't even give points. I wish I could grant points for like games, but that's not a thing I can do. And I mean, that kind of makes sense, to be honest. So yeah, Jax, my stats probably doesn't matter. I mean, if you want, is it? Oh, it is U I A. By the way, how much have I streamed lately? 15 hours. Have your own? Yeah, that's something other people do. By the way, 5 fools. That's more than I expected. Yeah, as you can see, it hasn't been updated. 0 subs, revenue still 2 average viewers. That's actually pretty good comparing to a place where I got affiliate. I mean, for affiliate you do need 3 average viewers, but that's all thanks to raids from QVman and MetaMe. All thanks to those 2 people. So yeah, have your own currency. I think my total earnings. Yeah, thanks to you, by the way, Davninja and Nigel and Jax, because you were constant chatters on my chat. What program to make on languages? What I say nowadays? Make a currency. Your D&D is why? Hold on. What D&D FS? I remember you were doing Plan 9 file system IRC something. Once you have an overlay for chat viewers running a session on it. D&D as a file server. Hold on, D&D. I mean, what comes to my mind when I hear D&D is I think what comes to everyone's mind. Even though I have played this game once in my entire life. It was still kind of fun. Oh my god. Open file. As a... What? It's... Okay, hold on. I was going to... Oh my god, hydrate. Hold on, I need to catch up. Because I missed something. Yeah, I'm not far. Yeah, so have your own currency. You can afford water. Indeed. So, there is a Twitch streamer. Oh my god. Captain Coder, who does this basically. Enough of the library done. Work on stream. Okay, I actually don't know. Should have them here somewhere. Dracolang. That's something. I forgot they existed. Honestly. So Captain Coder is here somewhere. You probably know them. Here. They have something similar. They haven't went affiliate because of that. And I mean, I feel like channel points are more fun.
Randomly spread points.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at that. Hold on. Well, I need to catch up. Catch up to the that offers. Yeah, that's a thing. That's something. I mean, you can set ads to. Yeah, that's that. That's that's something. That's a thing. So first of all, what is this? You can actually download more RAM if you set up Google Drive as a... Wow. I mean... that's... theoretically possible. But... oh my god, that's RAM is gonna be so slow. How? No, you... How can you boot from Google Drive? I mean, I would think it is only possible if you have a Google Drive file system driver module built into the kernel. That's pretty insane. Is it the same thing? initRD is a complete Linux. initRMFS locally, yeah, I know. But still, you need... yeah, that's the same thing. You need a kernel driver. Yeah, the word kernel. You need a kernel driver for Google Drive. And netboot. Now imagine the streamer is living in a country which has many economies. Yeah, that's also something. I mean... okay, so I was also reading something... Total Earnings. QVman with me. I should probably shut out QVman. Just because... yeah, just because he rated me like 3 times, and because of that I've got affiliate. That's like most of the influence. D&D for streams. Perfectly logical. World water. Yeah, that's hard to catch up now. So yeah, I looked at my phone and seeing a yellow bar next to a notification. It's like a shutout. So yeah, I actually tried to build post-market OS for my phone. I have a Redmi 9C. Edbric's coming. So yeah, I have a Redmi 9C, and yeah, it doesn't run. There's like so much effort. What? No. I refuse to believe in that. What phone do you have? See, there has been a lot of effort to get post-market running on Redmi 9C, and I think we're kinda close. See, iPhone has a screen OnePlus 6. 7? Sorry. OnePlus 6. What is this actually? Smartphone model OnePlus. Ooh. I have no idea what this is, honestly. I feel like I hear this for the first time. Well, actually, not the first time in my life. But still, 8 gigabytes, 8 cores. That's more RAM than I have. That's more RAM than I have in a laptop that I'm streaming from. So yeah, first of all, wait, Nix Flake, wow. It's how NixOS builds a package. Okay, that's so I need to catch up. Hold on, I need to catch up to you, chat. 16 gigabytes. Oh my god, this is, if you think about it, this is almost 3 times as much as I have in my laptop. In phone, yeah. But I have 6 in my laptop. Okay, Adbreak is coming. So I need to be catching up. I wanted to get those plushies. Those S plushies. 8 gigs and 2 cores. That's my main laptop. That's my main computer. That's also, I think that's the most powerful computer in the house, in my home, excluding the phones, which have more RAM than my laptop. Most of them, in fact. And the RAM is not cheap for me. Okay, so on GCC, yeah. Secret Society. Wait, what does society mean? I don't quite understand. Via direct IP address. Totality of people. Yeah, if you can't tell, English is not my main language. Like Illuminati. I also don't really know what Illuminati is, except that it's on $1, and it's like a triangle with an eye in it. Something like that. Group of people connected to each other. Yeah, that makes sense. Because first time I heard this word, it was in OSSU. Well, when I was reading OSSU. Well, OSSU basically. Captain Coder mentioned that, and I decided to take a look. And it has society here. Anyway, I was going to get those splashes. It has started. Let me actually try to get one plushie myself. A logo PNG. Ooh, this looks familiar. What's my dream PC? I don't know. I have a wallpaper with this, with the rainbow with, I think, slightly desaturated colors, showing off, some palette. This is kinda true. If you know Bikini, is a guy, also streams on Twitch. He made the Risk 5 cluster. 256 cores. I'm not sure if this is the one. 16 core Risk 5. Yeah. He did indeed build a 256 core Risk 5 cluster. Which logo? The Ying one. So yeah, this is actually, I would like to actually build it at some point. I mean, it would be cool, but I would probably, I probably don't want to spend so much money on Risk 5 chips, because why? How am I gonna use them? Same time, it's a cluster, it's like massively parallel. Wiki. Oh, by the way, I should probably get Wikipedia. Need a gun. So yeah, as my dream PC would be... So my dream PC would be a laptop that's based on ARM-like architecture, that's not... that's open source. So Risk 5, but Risk 5 ISA is not as good as ARM A. No, and not a MacBook. Not a MacBook! You can't run Linux on that. I mean, you can, but I would not want... I mean, I kinda wanna try Mac at some point. With ink screen. No, that's too much. Ink screen? I mean, if it could update... Yeah, I know. But running Linux on a Mac can has a lot of problems, especially audio. So ink screen. If it could update fast enough, then it would be cool. But that's just dream, that doesn't exist. And I mean, ARM-like architecture that is open source also doesn't exist. So I guess I would like a laptop that is ARM. Have 8 colors. Yeah, if it had true color. So yeah, I would like either Risk 5 or ARM laptop if we're speaking of a near future. And I mean like 2050. Because this doesn't exist yet. Then ARM or Risk 5 or similar architecture based laptop with an SSD that's accessible just like RAM with no cache. Yeah, I'm kinda going insane, but I want a RAM with no cache. Qualcomm laptop. Well, actually, yeah, Qualcomm's making a laptop. MacBook is not soon. Soon it's not gonna be. So yeah, RAM with no cache, SSD just that's accessible as just like RAM, ARM or Risk 5 CPU. I guess a GPU, ideally open source, but I mean I don't need a GPU. Most things I do is like training neural networks. I mean I guess I do need a GPU for basic GPU stuff for running shaders. Maybe training stuff. And a long battery life. Relatively long. It's not like critical to me, but when I'm driving somewhere, I would like to get a battery life. If we're speaking of now, I don't know, a laptop that runs Linux, maybe Framework would be my choice, because it is modular, I like the modularity. But I don't know, I have a friend that knows a lot about laptops, who made me use Linux. Okay, I don't want, if I'm speaking of my dream laptop, that doesn't exist. I want a non-NVIDIA GPU. Because NVIDIA, or NVIDIA GPU that's like fully open source. I mean, NVIDIA, you know. My dream laptop, like, if I want to just something to work with, I would probably want something, not Asus because bias is seems bad, something with 1 terabyte SSD and something that can run a stream. Satan GPU. Do you know that making a GPU is hard? Insanely hard nowadays. But possible. There is an open source GPU already. So you can take a look at it. But come on, Jax. You haven't answered my questions, by the way. Why you don't like Rust being in the kernel? And what else was I asking? Yeah, Kazan, I think this one, I'm not sure. See, if I want a laptop like that's gonna work for me, I guess I need something like 1 terabyte SSD. Repeat. Okay, hold on. So 1 terabyte SSD, something that can stream, build Nix, and build Rust. Those three things at the same time, relatively quickly, and so I have KDE and so I have cursor moving smoothly, and like applications running smoothly. That's what I would want. So Jax, your questions to kernel, about kernel, I sent them in Discord. I was asking them in Discord. I'm on Nix. We found a Stack Overflow post about the same error. I guess I'm gonna take a look at this. I guess I can take a GCC flake or something and modify the source to be my source on the local computer. So yeah. Yeah, I know you're busy, that's why I'm not bothering you. I'm trying to not bother you much. Yeah, I need to catch. It's 7:31 already. Oh my god. I'm probably gonna be ending by 8 PM. So I wanted to get plushies. Also another one. Mentioned somewhere. Yeah, Ying. No, it's not bedtime. It's not gonna be bedtime yet. But I probably won't be streaming then. Waste. I mean, I'm trying to keep my posture better. Ying. So, yeah. It's not bedtime yet in 30 minutes, but in 30 minutes I'm probably gonna be ending because I need to do a few things before I go to bed, which don't take 2 hours here. Oh my god, what is this? See, it doesn't take 2 hours, but I need time. And also I need to do some stuff. So I need to add one more to a plushie. Also, Jax asked for total earnings. If you want... Well, actually, you know where total earnings are, not in analytics. On Twitch. Also, I should keep my posture. Oh, this updated. This updated from... Oh, this updated from today, huh? What? I guess this is the same scheme as average viewers. That's why I wasn't going live when Kiwiman raided me a few times. I was waiting for this average viewers counter to go up. So yeah, earnings you're not seeing here. Oh my god, so many things. Payout history, $5 actually. Wow, that's quite a bit. But I think this is not including like this month, I think. Anyway, oh wait, did I press Ctrl S? So Ying plushie, yeah, we do need the Ying plushie. And I think Nigel was going to work on that, but it was killing him. Also, maybe we should do D&D plushie. Wikipedia. That's something we want. Cause, I mean, I'm not gonna say anything, cause it would be. This feels already too much, too bad. So Wikipedia. I want this as a plushie. I hope Wikipedia won't sue me for this. So let me read it. Nihilistic. By the way, why would I bother if I can do why I don't have a white. I know white space is a language. Invisible plushie. I mean, this could be handy actually if we get the goal. Anyway, let me just go to verbose. That's something Ian made on T-Max Exons. Come normal after a week. Every day you watch Unreal Engine demo. They're not doing Raper. Oh wait, Rare. Web and app dev is not your thing. Yeah. Lol cool. I guess that's a language now, judging by your messages. See, I was going to look at what is this. What is this? High 1.2 has stdio. I feel like that's a language as well. I mean, I'm not adding all the languages in the world. Well, key. Vim, yeah, we have Vim, we have NeoVim, we have a lot of editors. So this actually reminded me of this thing. Face dev. Wait, face is not spelled like that. Face dev. Emacs, yes, is a thing. We actually tried Emacs. I can probably rate Kavino. Kavino, by the way, should be live right now. Should go live about here. So yeah, this reminds me of Bastion, but I don't think they have an icon. ISO length nil. My god. I know there are a lot of languages. But we need to add one more. Oh my god, bookmarks. Come on. Clicked the wrong key. So I need to do this. I wandered lonely as a cloud. A more practical program. Please give a NOP if life is either meaningful or not meaningful. Milk wine. I mean Scratch interpreter. Ask code and wait. Say anything for 1 second. This is amazing. And the Python interpreter. Okay, what is this? programming language. So it parses commands of any complexity and then ignores them. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Is it Turing complete? It's not Turing complete. Okay, no, it's not Turing complete. We're not dealing with it. Okay, let me actually get a list of plushes. VSHH. GitHub stats. I have my GitHub stats here. Maps website. So greedy code. Linter, by the way, thing. There's cooling. Does it have? Oh wait, it doesn't have the logo. Oh my god, those names. How many? By the way, how many do you think plushes we have? Is this a language? Graph. Huh? 42. Okay, hold on. Let me. Okay, looked it up. Hold on, let me write it down now. Oh wait, I forgot. Hold on, I forgot the number. Now, first of all, I activated it for the scene. Second of all, I noted the number of plushes we have. Finally. Third of all, this build, but I mean, we don't really need it right now. Fourth, I don't have that many languages. Closure, maybe I should add that. Maybe I should add that. So I wanna do an activity. I wanna do a bat thingy. I don't know. I think it's in Stream Manager. I want to bet. Let me just write some numbers. Random numbers. How many? But Markdown is a good one. I don't need this one. PHP is a thing. I'm not gonna be adding all of those, but I'm gonna be thinking about a few. Python? What? I don't have Python? That's like actually... That's like actually wrong. My shell is literally Python. I can do print hello. I can do import OS. It is literally Python. No, I'm not gonna be adding AI. So let me write some. Oh wait, there is Python. Huh? Someone misspelled it. Someone misspelled it, I guess. Or timeout. Yeah, it's timeout. Note, you have a timeout. Perl. There is Perl. Perl sent moon. Do you even know who this is? I mean, probably some of you watch that. Anyway. GScript. There is Godot. I think, yeah, there's Godot. I should add the GScript as an alias. Now, I'm gonna do this right now. I can't keep up. Okay, hold on. First of all, let me assets. Wait, assets plushies. Gdo config languages aliases gd script gd. Now I wanna do this. I guess stop. It doesn't fall back to C. Like almost every word has C in it. That's why. PostScript has TS in it. That's why it put TypeScript. So yeah, C is just a single letter plushie. That's why. Does cast have a logo? I'm gonna edit them. So hold on. Let me just. Oh wait. Assets. Languages. Yeah, like that. Oh my god. That's no way I'm making something like this. Cast has a logo, yeah. I'm probably gonna add it as well. So hold on. First of all, basic. Yeah, I need basic, and also I need yang. Okay, so pool prediction. Prediction is the one you do with channel points. Oh, is it gonna compile and not crash? Wow. Delphi Fortran something maybe. Oh, that's summary. I need to create a prediction. Oh, here. How many? Oh wait, this previous one. How many plushies do we have right now? Please, people who know how to. I know there is. I know. Okay, let's just say. I know Nigel knows how to get the exact number of plushies. Please don't. So let me just write a few numbers. How many does it allow me to add? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I can have a lot of numbers, but I'm gonna stop at 4. Okay. Okay, it only has colors for 2. Okay, so I wrote a few numbers and sorted them. Now 101, as this was meant to be 101, 129. 139, I don't actually remember which one was right, and 254. 254. Period 2 minutes. Start prediction. Needs to confirm that outcome within. Yeah, got it. 8 viewers, wow. This is a lot. Okay, so now I'm gonna discard this. I hope I'm gonna remember. No, there is more. There's Arduino, for example. Not only programming languages. You won't vote. Okay, good. You have no points. Bet on stuff. It would be iconic if you bet like 101 points on 101 or something similar. Okay, I see someone voted. Someone voted. Okay. What to open this? Miranda? You mean Ivan Miranda? Okay. I don't think you know who Ivan Miranda is. Like actually this time. Okay, so 0 plushes давнения. You can vote with 1, I know. Wait. 0 points, I mean. You can vote with 1 point, I think. Is I mean 10 on 1-1. Okay, who's gonna win? I know the answer already. Because I counted it. Obviously, had to include it in the thing. So... I want to create a list. I want to create a list of... a list of plushes. By the way, Force Unleashed went live. Yeah, I know that. You know the answer as well? Those have points. Did you count it? Did you actually count it the proper way? Label Studio is messaging me. Hold on. To close that stuff. Okay. Don't say it then. Wait, where's the prediction? Is it complete? Okay. You voted on 1. GNU? Yeah, of course GNU is here. So... what I was going to do... First, stop messing with live brick. I need to put it... Oh, it's over. Okay. No one can vote anymore. Okay, how do I say an outcome? I guess I click on this button again. Okay, so... Doom. Oh! You know why it's Doom. You probably know why it's Doom. Also, Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha. It's not org. Wolfram Alpha. I also wanna SpaceX. And okay, so you know what's the right answer? I accumulated those plushes over so much time. So much time. No, that's not right. That's not the right command. Actually, because there's more PNGs than plushes. So let's actually do it live. Let me do it live. I used a different one, a simpler one. So we're in chat directory. You can see add-ons. Oh wait, assets here. So assets have plushes. This is a list of all plushes basically. Now we're gonna pipe it into we're gonna pipe it into WC-L, which is gonna count line numbers. I think. I hope that's right. Because if it's not, I mean, it looks pretty right. Here's the answer. I just pressed the enter. Let me just check it, just in case. Because I know for sure Dolphin should display as the right number. I'm not gonna be mounting Manjaro, cancel. Yeah, I should have checked it first. 139, okay, so it's right. Beautiful number. By the way, yeah, beautiful. Powers of 3, FIGUI or FLGUI, I actually don't know. Hi, you voted for something. Yeah, complete. You voted for 3, you voted for it. You voted for 139 actually. Okay, you got like 10 points. You've got like 10 more points because QQPP0 voted for 111. Okay. I'm like kind of stressed up. I mean, not much people predicted. The fact that this prediction is not empty, the fact that there are 2 people who predicted 34th prime number. Okay, if you want, I can actually type this URL correctly. Give up flash on Discord. Okay, hold on. 139. Is it? By the way, it's a prime number. Judging from your message. Yeah, 139. CXXXAX binary prime number mods. Stuff. The ring of integers. Oh my god. I don't know what this means. character code, partial line forward. What is that? Give up on the decoration. It's a safe prime because it has form 2n plus 1. Where n is prime number as well. Ooh. Is the last number before I mention that I know the correct number? Huh? I said that I know the correct number after I finished writing those. After I actually got the goal, I think, first of all. Second of all, I wrote all of them separately. And then wrote them into Twitch. So yeah, from alpha, icon, markdown, icon, 132. Why is this climbing up? I mean, sorry, but should be hiding that, by the way. By the way, first time chat. That's interesting. First time chat and you already participated. You still won, yeah. So we close that. Let me close that. GCC, yeah. Wikipedia, this I'm probably not gonna be adding that. And Nigel's work as well. I'm not gonna be adding all of them on the stream because it's already 8 p.m. and it's cold in here. You don't know how cold it is in here. I'm actually wearing like 2 shirts. Oh wait, not shirts, but whatever you call them. It's actually no. So let's open Discord honestly. Let's see. Looks. This feels weird as a language. Okay. Save that. As Yang. Get a blanket. Not comfortable, I guess. So yeah, that's gonna be the last one I do today, and then I'm gonna do all others off stream. Can you hear the noise? Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, convert plushie and TypeScript hx config group aliases in. Okay, now so yeah, we're gonna get a lot more plushes. Let's do Godot again. Oh wait, I forgot to import it. Oh my god, I forgot to import it. Z Godot 4. So also so yeah, let me import it first, and then I'm gonna show something. Close that. Building, I mean loading. I think it imported. Now I can close that. The chatry, Godot 4, oh clear, Godot 4. Now, I remember when I was doing all the plushes manually, like colliders for all the plushes. So, send message, plushing, plushing. I just aliased them together, so okay, it is here. So it's good. Yeah, I also need to push. By the way, you haven't checked QTD. That was a hint. Anyway. Actually, yeah. We have Haskell. So let's state. Yeah, we do have Haskell. I actually learned Haskell recently on stream. So yeah, we're gonna be coming to an end. I feel like I missed something. I feel like okay. So I was going to show you that there are many plushes There are many plushes, a lot of plushes, as you can probably tell. 139, 140 now. I just made a game with it. Yeah, making a game with Haskell is not a good, the best idea for a project. I feel like a compiler would be best. So, oh, by the way, well, let me just add cast language. Cast.gg. Also, I could use Kahoot, which reminded me. So yeah, you can do pick command, and there's streamers. Just bank plushie for a random plushie. Pick streamers gives you a random streamer. Can I send it again? I'm here. Metam is here. Fifth function. Programmer Jeff. And many more. I think you are. I mean, you can just spam pick streamers and see. Plushie streamer is giving you OBS. This is Captain Onosa. Yes. You do pick streamers instead of plushie. Plushie just will give you a plushie. Pick language as pick languages, I think. So yeah, there are many languages now. And why is it? Why do I have such a bad luck? You know who this is, by the way? Okay, guess who this is? I don't even know what this is. Lisp. Okay, guess who this is? You can see an ASCII beer here. Would explode what? Will what explode? ASCII beer won't explode. Guess who this is? Which streamer it is? Does any of you know? No. Oh, Metame here. Here he is. Streamers. Qman's here. Freedom Forge here. John Crow also haven't streamed in a while again. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna be back. Devnina, yeah, you're here. Texelware. I could add Texelware as a plushie, but not as a streamer. Probably. Picks a few more. There's Batcop, there's Qman. There's me, by the way. Yeah, I just have bad luck. What? Qman. Yeah, you should probably stream again. See, let me just open Texelware. Did I spell it correctly? Wow! I did not expect. Search results to be that good. What about Google? Wow. I did not expect the result, search engine to give results so quickly. Okay, so all of the plushes are here that I wanna add. I'm pretty sure. And now I think it's time to stream. Oh, time to end, I mean. Because I'm tired and it's cold. And it's 8 PM. But yeah, we're gonna be back tomorrow morning, hopefully. It's 8 PM for me, so tomorrow morning is in about 15 hours. You still need to figure out the syntax. Syntax for your language? When probably about 15 hours later. Running my Haskell game. To run my Haskell game, I need to wait for 5 gigabytes of random stuff to download. So yeah, I need to download 5 gigabytes to run my Haskell game because Haskell interpreter is heavy. Rust enums are great. Rust enums and I mean TypeScript interfaces kind of make sense only in JavaScript. At the same time, if you can do traits with fields, which are TypeScript interfaces, those are the same things. I guess is a good one. Come on, Jax. It's not that bad. You've got a job. I don't. And I'm just here sitting, wasting my time. Rust the only imperative language. Yeah, interfaces with fields, like in TypeScript. I actually don't know. This versus inheritance. Like if you have a C++ class, because I mean, if you already have a field, then why wouldn't you just add them automatically, which is inheritance? I don't know. Anyway, raid time. It's time to raid. It's time to end. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be streaming tomorrow morning. Hopefully I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow morning. Did it even... What? Wait. Gleamdev. Is Gleamdev online? I mean... language developers, sure. I'm always for that. Oh my god. But first I wanna check if any compiler developers, just in case. Wow. Wow. Day 11 English ESP. Huh? Compiler programming. Play. Okay, hold on. Content of dream. Okay, what is TypeScript has playground, first of all. That's kind of surprising to me. Downloading TypeScript. Yeah, I mean... Yes, I mean... Yeah, that's what I meant by TypeScript interface. I think like Rust traits, line 2. I mean, yeah, I see. First of all, if you're doing it this way, why not like just extend just the syntax, right? So you have a function which doesn't have a body, and you do extends, so this field is automatically present, and then you get a thing. Because I mean, this kind of makes sense. But then, if you instead do TypeScript interfaces, but you do implement test for loop, if you do something like this and do, I don't know, field equals maybe, I don't know, maybe you just keep it with names. Yeah. So yeah, in Rust you can have separate impl blocks, and this is useful because it is weird, but then you have a class here, and then you implement a random interface for it in a completely different file, in a completely different package. This can be useful. But then don't forget about orphan rule. Anyway, I think I'm just gonna... I'm not even gonna research. Yeah, I mean... Then... I don't know. TypeScript interfaces feel pretty good for that. You choose. Following, search. I'm not even gonna bother. STD lib hacking. Oh, starting soon. Okay, I guess, yeah, we're gonna be ending. Private protected fields. Ooh. Keep protected. Don't know about that. Anyway, they're starting. Anyway. I never was like that. I was shy before. What streaming made me? Anyway, thanks for joining, I guess. And goodbye. I'm trying. Okay, bye. Bye. This was a fun.
Subscribe to Infinite Coda 1. Oh, amazing. Hello. Right, I'm gonna let me just go on live on YouTube, and then I can do the whole thing. How do I go live? Go live. We're live. Okay. So I came online, went onto Twitch, went onto YouTube, because Jack is finishing up. And I was like, okay, Jack will raid me, and I'll get all the Gleam interested people coming on. But no, Infinite Coda 01 has pipped him to the what's the expression? Pipped him to the post. I think that's probably a racing thing. I'm not sure. Anyway, hello. Oh my gosh. Well, and Danielle's already here. Made a proof of concept of a. Oh, how am I going to explain it? Anyway, very cool. Wow, to Infinite Coda 1, what have you and your pals been up to today? Go on, say Gleam, that'd be really cool. Oh, excuse me, I'm going to have a sip of my water in the meantime. I should also tell Jack that I'm done. Cool. So, what am I making? So, we are pretty close. So, okay. Gleam, a wonderful language, is version 1. It's version 1.6 now as of yesterday, day before yesterday. Good stuff. One thing that's kind of unusual about Gleam, maybe less so for functional languages, but still quite unusual in general, is that the standard library you could opt not to use, and you could use a different standard library if you want. Now, in practice, people don't do this. People all use the standard library, like, why wouldn't you? The thing that is... my cat's making a lot of noise, excuse me. One of the consequences of having this divide between language and standard library is that they can be versioned differently. And that meant we could go version 1 with Gleam before we had finished all of the things in the standard library. That's cool. So we got version 1 earlier, and now we're just ramping up to version 1, the standard library, coming up to like a year after version 1 of Gleam came out. Interpreted or compiled, is that a question to... Is that a question? I'm presuming that's a question to me. Gleam compiles to either Erlang or JavaScript. So that's compiled, and Erlang is compiled to Erlang bytecode, and JavaScript is jittered, so... It's Gaia Como. Hello. That means I can close the tab while you're talking. Oh no, I'm now watching myself on Twitch.